Hello friends, I am Shaurya Mishra. Welcome you to your own YouTube channel Vision Care Advisor. Friends, today we will talk about how to disinfect or sanitize our glasses. In today's COVID-19 time, most of the people don't know how to sanitize or disinfect our glasses to protect from bacteria and virus. Friends, don't think that I am going to suggest you to use alcohol based sanitizer in these COVID time. I will never suggest you to use alcohol based sanitizer because it will harm your quality lenses, surface coating, and your vision will be blurred after damage of your eyeglass surface coating. Friends, we will talk about how to use the best solution to sanitize your glasses, and your glasses surface coating will also safe and there is no chance of getting infection through the glasses. Friends, before starting the video, please do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that as soon as our new videos comes, you will get the notification. So let's get started. Friends, some people have the question that the spray solution which we buy from the optician to use for eyeglass cleaning can kill the virus? So, I would like to tell you in clear words that the solution you buy from the optician can clean your glasses but can't kill viruses and bacteria. Now, you must be thinking that then we can use alcohol based sanitizer on our glasses to kill virus or bacteria. So, let me tell you guys, you should never use alcohol based sanitizer, ammonia, or any high concentration acid like vinegar on your glasses. Friends, I just want to inform you that your glasses can be a medium to transfer of coronavirus. Virus and bacteria can easily transfer from our surroundings to our hands and from there to on our glasses. Friends, research has found that coronavirus can survive or stay on the surface of our glasses for up to 9 days. Actually, we touch our glasses quite frequently and also touch our eyes, ear and nose, due to which there is a high chance of getting infection from bacteria and virus like herpes simplex virus and COVID-19 etc. Since the virus can live on the surface of our glasses on sunglasses for up to 9 days, the most important things to do is to disinfect our glasses. Friends, as we mentioned, alcohol based sanitizer should never be used to disinfect or sanitize the glasses. If you use an alcohol based sanitizer, your eyeglasses surface will be disinfected or sanitized, but the surface coating of your glasses will soon wear off, and if the coating of your glasses gets damaged once, you will start seeing blurry vision from your glasses. And if you start seeing blurry vision with your glasses, it means that your glasses surface coating has been damaged and you will have to change your glasses. Now, the question must be coming in your mind that if we do not have to use ammonia, acid, or alcohol based sanitizer, then what should we use to disinfect our glasses so that the coating of our glasses does not get spoiled? Friends, now I'm revealing the secret and would like to tell you that to disinfect or sanitize your glasses, you should use H2O2, that is hydrogen peroxide 0.5% solution. Hydrogen peroxide will disinfect your glasses and kill the virus, bacteria, fungi, and other germs, due to which there will be no chance of getting infection. Hydrogen peroxide creates harmful hydroxyl free radicals which attack membrane, lipids, DNA, and other essential cell components. According to Alex Berzo, PhD, and Vice President of American Council on Science and Health, that inanimate objects that plays an important role in further spreading the spread of coronavirus, hydrogen peroxide is the best option for disinfecting those inanimate objects such as metals, glasses, and plastics. Friends, we will tell you one of the most trustable government organization, CDC, that means the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, who has also telling the same facts. According to the CDC, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, hydrogen peroxide is the best option for killing virus, bacteria, and other germs. Friends, as we told that you have to use hydrogen peroxide of 0.5%, so now you must be wondering where you can get 0.5% hydrogen peroxide solution. Friends, I would like to tell you that hydrogen peroxide is easily available at your nearest medical store, but hydrogen peroxide is available to you only in 3% or 3.6%, which we have to make in 0.5% solution. So let me tell you in very simple steps how to make hydrogen peroxide in 0.5%. Friends, it is very easy. You buy 3% hydrogen peroxide solution from your nearest medical store, then take 5 bottles of clean water in the same quantity as the amount of hydrogen peroxide of 3% and put the equal amount of hydrogen peroxide in those 5 bottles. And now your solution will be ready in 0.5% and you can use this solution on your glasses to sanitize or disinfect your glasses. You can store these hydrogen peroxide 0.5% solution in dark, cool, and dry place. The best way to use hydrogen peroxide, that wash your glasses first with normal tap water, then clean the glasses or sunglasses with a microfiber cloth to dry them. Then spray hydrogen peroxide 0.5% solution onto your microfiber cloth and gently clean your eyeglasses. A 0.5% solution of hydrogen peroxide will damage 99.9% of the virus and bacteria, and now your eyeglass will be disinfected and there will be no chance of infection with the virus and bacteria through your glasses, and the coating of your glasses will be also safe and the coating of the eyeglasses will not be deteriorate quickly. Friends, if you do not get hydrogen peroxide, then you can use gentle dish soap to clean your glasses, but hydrogen peroxide is the best way to disinfect or sanitize your glasses. Friends, we are just want to share one more information, that hydrogen peroxide of 0.5% solution kills bacteria and virus in 1 minute while kills fungi and mycobacteria in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Do remember to check your vision yearly and see the world clearly.